Morning, everybody. I thought I gotta go to the gym here in about 10 minutes, but I thought I would just jump on and talk for a second. I am doing a reboot. It's been a long summer. I've been to Europe. I've spent a lot of my summer over in Las Vegas this year and just finished a trip to Cabo with one of my cute girlfriends. And I was just like, I'm done. Okay. Before the holidays, jump out here. I have got to get this back in order. So one of the things I'm very specific about is I've gained 65 pounds 3 times in my life. I am never losing that 65 pounds again. Just isn't going to happen. So I just never let myself get to that spot. But anyway, I thought I would talk about trusting the process. So normally when I do a reboot, I do my initial body comp and I have all my food set out. I know exactly what I'm going to eat. I've meal prepped, I've planned, I journaled, I do the whole thing, because without the whole thing, you're doing it halfway. But the one thing that I decided to do differently this time was just trust the process. So, I think one of the things I always do, I have all these fancy scales and I can go over to the office anytime I want. So I just, am constantly every single day getting on the scale, weighing myself, journaling my food, wondering why I didn't lose a pound, wondering why I gained a pound, then I went down 2 pounds, then I went up a pound. This time I decided I'm just going to trust the process. So I know it works. I know if I just do everything 100%, all I have to do is, set out my meals, make sure I'm not under eating, make sure I'm not overeating, make sure I'm getting my water, make sure I'm eating my veggies, super simple stuff. But once I do that, all I have to do is trust the process. I already know that I'm a slow loser. Literally, it takes me at least 2 weeks to really see any kind of results. And so instead of worrying about it, I decided I'm going to get on the scale once a week. I'm going to do what I'm supposed to do, and I'm going to focus on other stuff. I have lots and lots of other stuff that I can be focusing on. So I just want to encourage you to just trust the process. Stop overthinking things. Stop worrying about things. Stop worrying it's not working. I've stalled. I'm this. I didn't eat that. I should have done this. Don't worry about it. If you have one bite of something, just keep moving on. Don't let one bite make you go to, 55 bites. Find something else in your life to focus on other than your food. And pretty soon, whatever our brain focuses on is where we head. So educate yourself, read good for you books, get off of the TV, get off of the computer, take a walk, go, find an accountability partner. One of the things I did this time also is my friend is doing the same thing as me. We decided that it was going to be Sober October. And so we're doing it together. So we check in with each other every day. She sends me a picture of what she's eating. I send her pictures of what I'm eating. She tells me how far she went for a walk. Same here. I'm heading to the gym right now. So have an accountability partner. Trust the process, enjoy the journey. There's so many great things that you can eat. And of course, we do our cooking show every week. There's almost 1.5 years of cooking shows. There's something there for everybody. Try a new vegetable. If you love potatoes, try rutabaga, kohlrabi. If you're missing onions, grill up some fennel. It really does taste like it. Some grilled fennel with olive oil and garlic is amazing with a piece of salmon. Try something new and, stop worrying about the food. Stop worrying about what you're going to eat next, what everybody else is eating, what everybody else is drinking. Just focus on you and know that when you get to, I did a little post, 2 weeks you see it or you start to feel it 4 weeks, you start to see it, and 8 weeks, other people start to see it. And of course, surrounding yourself with people that lift you up, that make you better, that tell you, instead of, naysaying, oh, come on, have a drink with me. Oh, you're so boring. How about lifting and supporting other people? And when, maybe it's not your time of the journey and it's their time of the journey, be on the journey with them. Let them know, hey, I know you're not drinking tonight, so I'm not going to drink with you. Let's have some fun in a different way. And I think a lot of times we think that we have to drink to have fun, and we don't. Drinking's fun. I'm not going to say it isn't. But anyway, I just wanted to reach everybody this morning and say, trust the process. So happy Friday, happy weekend, plan your meals, and enjoy the process.